Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to synchronize multiple clips with audio in Premiere Pro CC. Now this tutorial is if you do not want to create a multicam sequence, you just want to synchronize multiple clips and edit them on your timeline. But if you want to know how to create a multicam sequence, which is also a faster way of editing, I've also created a tutorial on multicam sequence, so please check the link to that tutorial in the description section below. So let's begin. Now over here in this panel, I've got some clips from two different cameras. In this folder, camera 1, I've got some clips here which was shot with my first camera, and in my second folder here, camera 2, I've got some clips that was shot with the second camera. And so what I will normally do first to synchronize both clips is I will come over here and create a new folder and probably give it a name. Now the next thing I will do is to drag the files I want to synchronize off the files and place them in this new folder. So I'll come over to my camera 1 here, and so I have multiple clips, but there's only one file here that I want to synchronize. These are B-rolls. This is a B-roll of, this is 16 seconds, this is a B-roll, this is 5 seconds, and this is 10 seconds. So I'll just select this one over here that is 10 minutes. I'll just copy it, click back here and move to this new folder here and paste that full clip. So I'll move back with this arrow once more, move to my camera 2 and select these files over here. So I have two files here. These are two videos, but this is actually a folder and this is a sequence. This is not a file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the video 1, hit Ctrl, select the second video, right click and copy it, move back and enter my synchronized folder here and paste it. So basically what I have just done is that I selected all the files I want to synchronize and I've pasted them in one new folder. So if you have 20 files you want to synchronize, 50 files, you need to drop them in one single folder. The next thing I will do is to highlight all these files over here. You can hit Ctrl A to do that, right click on the file and select create multicam source sequence. So once you hit this option will pop up. You want to select audio. Your track channel should be on mix down over here. Then make sure you deselect most source clips to process clips bin, except if you are trying to create a multicam sequence. So just deselect this, make sure this is not checked. Your sequence settings here, you want to select which camera would be used to create the sequence. So I'm selecting camera 1. You can switch, you can select other options, and then I'll just hit OK. And as you can see, Premiere Pro is beginning to process my clips, processing 1 out of 3 clips. So now this is a faster way of editing in Premiere Pro. Now you can see that Premiere Pro has created a new sequence for us here. Now what I would normally do in previous times would be to select both clips. I will select 2 clips like this, right click and hit on synchronize and hit OK. Let me cancel that, and automatically Premiere Pro will synchronize these both clips for me. But that can be a very long process when I have multiple clips I want to synchronize. So now with this new technique, which is a faster way, all you need to do is to right click on this sequence. You can see these are clips, but this is a sequence. Right click on this sequence and scroll down and select open in timeline. And what you will notice at this point is that Premiere Pro has synchronized the 3 clips for us. So you can see that we had the longer clip which was for 10 minutes. This is the other clip which lasted around 7 minutes, and the third clip which lasted around 6 minutes interval. And you can now begin to move around, play your clips and edit it how you want. So that's it guys on how to synchronize multiple clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you found this tutorial very useful. If you did, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to drop your feedbacks in the comment section. Thank you and see you guys in the next video.